Introducing Lennar's Ellis Walk. The final phase of home sites in Ellis Crossing, an existing master-planned community with resort-style amenities. Ellis Walk is conveniently located just north of Research Triangle Park and less than 15 minutes from RDU International Airport, Duke, UNC, NCCU, and area shopping, dining, and entertainment. Experience fun activities at the existing indoor and outdoor pools, fitness center, tennis courts, soccer fields, tot lots, dog park, and future Frisbee golf course. Gather with neighbors, friends, and family at the state-of-the-art community clubhouse and playground. Enjoy easy access to some of the Triangle's best local entertainment: Durham Bulls, Duke Gardens, DPAC, American Tobacco Trail, and Bethesda Park. Discover this one-of-a-kind resort-style community in the heart of Durham and select from a variety of plan designs in 4 different collections. All homes include the most popular features and finishes, built by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Lennar's Ellis Walk. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.